Hi friends, my name is Achyut and I am from Vizag. So today in this class we will solve another problem. The problem name is, so we need to print the n power of 2. So I think you need, what is power of 2, like n power of 2. For example, what is 2 square? So what is 2 square? So 2 square is 4. So 2 square is 4, which means, so 2 power 2 is equal to 4. So which means, so nth power, like for example, if we give n value 5, so then it should be 2 power of 5. So which means 2 into 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 2. So we need to multiply 2 into 2, 4. 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32. 32 will be the answer. So based off the n value, we need to print the output. Here n value I have given 5. So the 2 power 5 is 32. So the output should be the 32. So I hope you understand the problem statement. So let us write the program. So import java dot util dot star. So scanner sc is equal to new scanner system dot in. So first of all, we have to give the n value sc dot next. So for example, take it is as n1 and int n2 is equal to 1. So why I'm taking n2 is equal to 1? Because so each and every time whenever we write the n2 in the loop, so each and every time should be multiplied with 1. So let us write the for loop, then you will understand. So it should start from, so it should start from 1. So let us write 1 and I less than or equal to n1 and I plus plus. So here I am writing n2 is equal to n2, so 2 into n2. Yeah, 2 into n2. And after that, we have to print the n2. So I think everything is fine. So I will explain after executing this program. So what I did. So let us first run this program. So there is no error. So n value is 5. So output should be 2 power 5 should be 32. See here, the 32 should be the answer. So let us find is 32 or not. So 32. So what I did is, so first of all, I've taken the 5 as the input. And after that, I have taken one variable n2 and its value is 1. Why should I take only 1? Because every time we have to multiply with 1 only. So any number which multiplies with 1, it will give the same number only. So which means 2 into 1, it will give the 2 only. So that's why I'm taking n1. Sorry, and n2 is equal to 1. So I hope you understand why I'm taking n2 is equal to 1. So after that, I'm going to the for loop. So it should start from 1. It should traverse up to n1. So what is the n1 value? 5. So 5 times it should be iterate. Like see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 times it should be iterate. So up to n1. So 1 to 5 times. And each time I'm incrementing the I value. So after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So each time one I is equal to 1. So I'm multiplying 2 into n2. What is the n2 value? 1. So 2 into 1, 2. So, so 2 into 1, 2. So n2 value is now it will be 2. And after that, second time the I value should be 2. So I value should be 2. After incrementing, the I value will be incremented, right? So then I value will be changes to 1 to 2. So then I 2 into 2 because I2 and 2 value is updated. From 1 it is updated to 2. So then 2 into 2, 4. So that 4 value will be updated here again. So then after that, it reduces to 3. So then after 2 into 4. So then it will be converted into 8. So then after 16, then after 32. So I hope you understand what I did. So at last, I have printed the answer. So when this loop will be like terminated when this condition failed, I less than or equal to n1. So then this condition fails, then come to this line and print the total n value, the updated n value. So what is the updated n value? 32. So I hope you understand this program. If you don't understand what I'm saying, please repeat this video, then you can understand. So if you find this video is helpful, please like it and please share it to your friends so that they can be benefited from this video. And please subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon so then only you'll get the notification or otherwise you will not get the notification. Thank you friends. Jai Hind.